Winter may seem like a time to put your garden tools away, but it's actually the perfect season to prep your soil for the next growing season. Stick around as I share the ultimate winter soil care routine that will have your garden thriving come spring. Healthy soil is the backbone of a productive garden, and winter offers the ideal opportunity to rejuvenate it. By following a few simple steps, you'll enrich your soil, protect it from harsh weather, and even jumpstart your spring planting. First, clear your garden beds of dead plants, weeds, and debris. While some gardeners leave plants for winter interest, clearing the beds helps reduce pests and diseases that could overwinter in your soil. Next, add organic matter like compost, well-rotted manure, or leaf mold. These materials will decompose over the winter, enriching the soil with nutrients and improving its structure. Sprinkle about 2 to 3 inches of organic matter and lightly till or leave it to settle naturally. Cover your soil with a layer of mulch to protect it from harsh winter conditions. Mulch prevents soil erosion, maintains moisture, and insulates the soil, ensuring beneficial microbes survive the cold. You can use materials like straw, wood chips, pine needles, or shredded leaves. Cover crops, also known as green manure, are a secret weapon for healthy soil. Crops like winter rye, clover, or vetch grow during the winter and are tilled under in spring, adding organic matter and fixing nitrogen in your soil. Plus, cover crops suppress weeds and prevent soil compaction. Winter is the perfect time to test your soil for pH and nutrient levels. Use a simple soil test kit to identify deficiencies and plan your amendments. For example, lime can be added in winter to adjust soil pH, giving it time to integrate before spring. Avoid stepping on wet or frozen soil as it can lead to compaction. If you need to access your beds during winter, use stepping stones or raised paths to protect your soil structure. By investing just a little time in winter soil care, you'll reap big rewards come planting season. Remember, healthy soil equals healthy plants. So get out there and give your garden soil the love it deserves, even in the off-season. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your gardening friends. Let's make this the best growing season yet.